Hi everyone, and welcome to this new devlog video. I'm Thibaut, the game dev behind Origamixid. Let's see what happened the last 10 weeks. Currently, my main goal is to make a public demo, which includes gameplay of course, but also a global artistic direction. I'm initially a coder, so I really needed to focus and get useful feedbacks on the graphical part, and to see if I was able to do it myself. So I worked during the first 20 weeks mostly on graphical part, learning how to use Blender, how to use Unity Shader Graph, and learning more deeply shaders in general. If you want to know more about it, please check my 2 previous devlog videos. I wanted to develop some gameplay to have more interesting and interactive things to show. To keep it simple, I will split the gameplay development in 3 categories. The game design, where I define how to play, the existing abilities, etc. Basically, how the game has to be fun. Gameplay coding, to make it works as defined in the game design, one feature after another. And the level design, to determine and create levels. I'm obviously talking about islands here. I decided to start with level design in order to get demo islands. I thought it could be great to take some time to improve my islands creation tool and make it playable, so players can also create their own islands. I create a proper interface, so it can be used on computer and smartphone. I also worked really hard on the way the game loads and builds asynchronously the islands. It merges meshes, computes normals and colliders without any lag, so the islands look good, they are optimized and perfectly playable. I want to improve this a bit, by the way, adding some ambient occlusion generation for instance. Then I created several islands and started to develop some gameplay, improving characters' movements and adding the possibility to carry plants in your flower pot backpack. I also did some extra. I improved my water shader with some refraction and sun reflection effects, and I created my very first tutorial video. Check it out! And yeah, I swear the second one is coming soon. Thanks to your feedbacks, I will now improve the game visual aspect. As I said, I'm mainly a coder, so I'm confident with the programming part, and I mostly need to do graphical research. I've made a lot of crucial progress with Blender lately, and I'm currently digging awesome tutorials. So subscribe or follow me on Twitter to stay in touch for more dev updates and tutorials. It was Thibaut, the game dev behind Origamixid. Thanks for watching.